Unfolding the mystery, introducing AlphaFold. Welcome to the Channel 1 Tech Farmer. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They are essential for almost every biological process. A protein's function is determined by its unique three-dimensional shape, also known as its fold. Determining this fold experimentally is time-consuming and expensive. This is where AlphaFold comes in. AlphaFold is an artificial intelligence system developed by Google DeepMind. It has revolutionized the field of protein folding. AlphaFold can predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins with remarkable accuracy. This breakthrough has been a game-changer for scientists worldwide. The development of AlphaFold marked a significant leap forward in our understanding of proteins. It has opened up new avenues for research in biology, medicine, and beyond. AlphaFold's impact is already being felt across various scientific disciplines. The protein puzzle, why structure matters. Proteins are made up of chains of amino acids. These chains fold into intricate three-dimensional structures. The precise shape of a protein determines its function. Think of it like a key fitting into a lock. The protein's shape must be correct for it to interact with other molecules. Understanding protein structure is crucial for various reasons. It helps us understand diseases, design drugs, and develop new biomaterials. For example, knowing the shape of a viral protein can help scientists develop drugs that block its function. Traditionally, determining protein structures was a laborious process. It often involved complex experimental techniques like X-ray crystallography or nuclear magnetic resonance. These methods are time-consuming and expensive. AlphaFold at Work AI predicts the fold. AlphaFold utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to predict protein structures. It was trained on a massive dataset of known protein sequences and structures. This training data allowed AlphaFold to learn the complex patterns and rules that govern protein folding. The AI system uses a deep learning algorithm. This algorithm can analyze the amino acid sequence of a protein. Then, based on this analysis, it predicts the most likely three-dimensional structure. AlphaFold's predictions are remarkably accurate, often rivaling experimental results. The accuracy and speed of AlphaFold have made it an invaluable tool for researchers. Scientists can now obtain protein structure predictions much faster and at a lower cost. This has significantly accelerated research in many areas. Revolutionizing research, impact, and applications. AlphaFold has had a profound impact on various fields, including drug discovery. Knowing the structure of disease-related proteins helps in designing more effective drugs. In disease research, AlphaFold aids in understanding the misfolding of proteins, which can lead to diseases like Alzheimer's. In biotechnology, designing new enzymes and proteins with specific functions is now easier. In environmental science, understanding protein structures can help in developing solutions for pollution control and bioremediation. AlphaFold's ability to predict protein structures with high accuracy has opened up new possibilities for scientific exploration. Researchers are using AlphaFold to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges in healthcare, the environment, and beyond. Click the like and subscribe button for informative tech videos.